Start by removing the 4 bolts holding the sway bar cover. Remove the 6 T55 bolts holding the bumper on. Remove the 4 bolts holding the sway bar. Lift the sway bar and slide the new bumper into place. Reinstall the 6 bumper bolts and the 4 sway bar bolts. Steinjager offers both bolt-on and weld-on fairlead mounts that can be purchased separately.
For more information, head over to steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.